Alright, here it is, the start of the 147 project. As you can see, I've already got it stripped down pretty good. I got the hood off it, I got the seat off it. I gotta get the fenders off so that I can take a look at the hydro because the release lever is broken. That's one of the things. Over the winter, gonna be taking the engine inside, opening it up, replacing gaskets and seals, and removing the balance gears because they're known to explode, and I don't want them in my engine. So, also gotta get this pulley off the front of it. She does spin over alright, and she's got compression, which is good. Pretty rusty though, so it's not gonna be easy. Pretty much doing this with hand tools, except for a single powered thing. This air powered impact gun. 3 of 4 tires, original tires hold air on this tractor. The only one that isn't original is this one at the back here. You can see it's narrower than the other one because the other one didn't fit. It didn't hold air. So got that on so I can move it around okay. Over here we got the other tractors all lined up looking pretty. Just because, why not? But guess we better get into this one. I will start disassembling things. I think I'm going to pull some stuff off the engine and kind of make it weigh less so I can take it out of the tractor. Took a little bit, but finally got a view inside, and that looks pretty clean, I'll say. But I can't really see too much in there. I can see the ACR here, the automatic compression release. It is a special system developed by Kohler that's very useful, and what it does is it actuates a little tab on the side of the valve, and it pushes the exhaust valve just up a little bit during the compression stroke to relieve the compression, which makes it easier for it to start. And it's a pretty smart little concept. It does appear to be working, which is good. But I'm trying to see if I can spot the balance gears, and unfortunately I can't. So we're going to have to dig a little bit deeper to find the balance gears. But it's a good start. So well, yeah, I just thought I'd show you real quick the ACR in operation. So you can see there's the intake, and then you can see it just opened up a little bit, just barely. That's the exhaust valve, and so that's what it does, and that relieves compression going over the compression stroke, and then we get into the exhaust stroke and back. Alright, so now I think I'm going to go for the head and pull that off, see what the cylinder looks like. So, get back to you when I'm done with that. Alright, the head bolts are out. Should just slide right off there. Oh yeah, that's the kind of crud I expected to find. It's not horrible. Let's see. There's a mouse nest inside the fan shroud too. That certainly doesn't help. Cylinder walls don't look horrible. Let's see. Scratches here and there. Not too bad. Okay, so that's out. I should probably go underneath now and unbolt the engine completely from the frame and see if I can't slide it forward and try to get it out with a tractor maybe. So okay, so I've been doing a little bit more, and unfortunately I cannot get to the two front engine mount bolts. They are too well rusted and they're underneath the front axle. So although I didn't want to do this, I think I'm gonna have to pull the front axle off this thing completely. There's just like a pin in here, and it's being held on by a set screw that I gotta pull out. So hopefully that's not too hard, and then I'm gonna disconnect this steering, and hopefully it should come out. I got the jack over here, so I can put it up in the air and do this. So get started on that, I guess. Okay, so the engine is now loose. Nothing else going on at this point. I guess now gotta pull the bolts off that hub on the back, get that out of there, and then I can just lift the entire engine up out. Call that good. So guess we'll get to doing that. Alright, the engine is free. Let's see, I should be able to just lift it right out. Someone forgot to unbolt the ground. And the choke wire. that is an engine out of the tractor. Well, I'd say that turned out pretty well. Now I can get the engine inside where it'll be easier to work on. And I guess I'll come back to the tractor. But for now, I think I'm going to call it good for the day. If you like this, please consider leaving a like or subscribing if you want to see part 2. This is going to be a whole series, so stay tuned for that. And I'll see you next time.